In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while examining Ethereum cost conjecture for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions in the event that ETH is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ETH succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-04-20 plus 1.86% $2154. 92202304 211.22% $2089 88202304 220.11% $2113 312023 04 230.06% $2114 502023 04 24 plus 8.61% $2297 76 2023 04 25 plus 4.95% $2220 29 2023 04 261.63% $2081 182023 04 27 plus 7.85% $2281 802023 04 28 plus 6.92% $2262 06 2023 04 29 plus 1.85% $2154 75 2023 04 30 plus 4.36% $2207.93 Ethereum value expectation 2023 high expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inside crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will most likely see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 May, 0.98% $2,095 2023 June, plus 2.57% $2,170.14 2023 Joel, plus 6.49% $2,252.91 2023 Aug, plus 15.63% $2,446.26 2023 Sep, plus 12.79% $2,386.34 2023 Oct, plus 21.62% $2,573.00 2023 Na, plus 29.57% $2,741.30 2023 Dec, plus 37.47% $2,908.39 2024 Jan, plus 42.73% $3,019.63 2024 Feb, plus 39.80% $2,957.68 2024 blemish, plus 47.09% $3,112.03 2024 APRA, plus 51.50% $3,205.24 ETH value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees ETH coming to $17,771.62 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $4,904.01. Ethereum value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees Ethereum coming to $44,429.04 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees Ethereum coming to $88,858.08 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are supporters of respectably hazardous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,961.22. In the long haul, it could leap to $44,429.04 or much higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and get more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $44,429.04 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising methodology, losing local area support, possible weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our determining model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $88,858.08 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Ethereum? Ethereum will reach $1,961.22 in the following 90 days, which is a 7.3% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $2,115.67. Might Ethereum at any point make you a tycoon? Indeed, assuming you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Ethereum tycoon. However, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10k interest in Ethereum could make you a tycoon. Ethereum value expectation today. What will be the cost of